Hey everyone, the Minix Neo Z95 is one of those compact PCs that immediately grabs attention by challenging expectations of what a real computer can look like. At first glance, it feels almost unreal that a device smaller than many smartphones can function as a full Windows desktop. Measuring roughly 88 by 88 by 43 millimeters, the Neo Z95 is genuinely pocket-sized, yet Minix has managed to pack in hardware that makes it far more capable than its dimensions suggest. At the heart of the Neo Z95 is Intel's N95 processor, a quad-core Alder Lake N chip. This is not a processor designed to chase benchmark records, but that is not the point here. In everyday use, it delivers exactly what its target audience needs. Office applications open quickly, web browsing feels smooth even with multiple tabs, and streaming high-resolution video is effortless. For tasks like document editing, emails, remote work, media consumption, and light multitasking, the system feels responsive and reliable. As expected, demanding creative workloads or modern gaming are beyond its scope, but for a compact desktop aimed at daily productivity, the performance balance makes sense. Minix pairs the processor with 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM, which is generous for a mini PC of this class and plays a big role in keeping the system feeling fluid. Multitasking rarely becomes an issue, even with several applications running at once. Storage is handled by a 512 gigs PCIe 3.0 SSD, offering fast boot times and quick application launches. While the memory is soldered and not upgradable, the SSD can be replaced, giving users some flexibility if more storage is needed down the line. Connectivity is another area where the Neo Z95 impresses despite its size. It includes 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports for peripherals, along with 2 HDMI outputs and a full DisplayPort. This tiny PC allows it to drive up to 3 displays simultaneously, which is remarkable for something that can disappear into the palm of your hand. Dual gigabit LAN ports add versatility for networking tasks, home labs, or more advanced setups, while a standard 3.5mm audio jack covers basic audio needs. This level of I/O makes the Neo Z95 far more flexible than many similarly sized devices. Out of the box, the Neo Z95 comes with Windows pre-installed, which means it is ready for familiar desktop software, productivity tools, and popular streaming platforms without any setup headaches. Its VESA mount support makes it easy to attach behind a monitor or TV, effectively hiding the PC and keeping a workspace clean. Active cooling is built in, and while it is not completely silent, it does a solid job of keeping temperatures under control during prolonged use without becoming distracting. Although Minix has not officially confirmed pricing, systems based on the N95 typically land in the affordable segment, and the Neo Z95 is likely to follow that trend. Considering its ultra-compact design, solid everyday performance, generous memory, and surprisingly rich connectivity, it stands out as a practical solution for users who want a full Windows PC that takes up virtually no space. The Minix Neo Z95 may not aim to replace a powerful desktop or workstation, but as a tiny, dependable computer for daily tasks, it delivers exactly what it promises. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.